Best day ever.
How many times have you done the 6 mile?
Oh, I don't know.
A dozen.
No.
A dozen?
No.
What's your
swimming for Dave Williams?
Dave Williams?
Yep.
Any strategy for today?
Just take it slow and taper off.
All right, great. Cindy, is this your first time?
Camera shy.
Oh, you did good. Is this your first time at the 6 mile?
Second.
Second? Any strategy for today?
Try not to get cold.
Try not to get cold.
Yeah, but the sun's out. That's just perfect.
Great. Good luck.
Thank you.
How you feel today, Ed?
Fun.
He's got a big blister.
Oh, is your blister going to slow you down?
I think so. I think so.
What's your strategy?
Just go to the finish.
Who do you think your competition is going to be today?
Not sure. Myself, the ocean, Cindy.
No.
You guys have a lot of fun out there. I wish I was with you, but I will see you at the finish. Everybody ready? On your marks, get set, go!
So Jane, who are the favorites?
Who are the favorites? Mr. Semana Nautica, I'm hoping is going to come out on top, possibly. And last year, Steve was up there.
Of course.
And Wadley was up there. I think he got third. But there's a couple new guys I don't know, so we'll see. We'll see who comes out. But I'm hoping Mr. Semana Nautica makes it.
Who's Mr. Semana?
Ed Smith.
Ozzy Ed.
For our women's, Jen Schumacher from Irvine is gonna probably come in first. She won last year this race, and she's really fast. And then I don't know. I have a stacked field this year with women. I have a couple from San Francisco that one did the English Channel, so got to be some fast people. And then we have Isabella Dickinson. I know she's fast. And Cindy Braden, she should be up there too. So. And then Karen Schultz, she's new, but I know she's fast too. So I don't know, we'll see. It looks like a race out there. I'm so excited.
So is this your first 6 miler?
Second, did last year.
Oh, how'd it feel?
Cold.
Feel good about the win?
That's good.
Did that warm you up a little bit?
A little bit. Just glad it's over.
Awesome.
Good job. 2:29:17. A little bit longer out there this year. Everybody was.
Well, it looked like all the seaweed was going.
the other way. Well, when you guys got out there, I looked, so we said, oh, how's the current? And I looked, and all the boats were facing this way, which is the wrong way. I'm all like, ooh, south current.
Yeah, a little bit. It wasn't too strong, but just the one last one.
Yeah, yeah. How was the temperature?
It was nice.
Good. Did you have fun?
Oh yeah.
Good. You're awesome. This person won the 6 mile last year. She also came up into the 10 miler, and she's just been getting faster and faster. Jen Schumacher from Irvine. Woo! All right, good job. First man and winner overall in, what did we go? 2:21:48. Who came up last year and did my 6 miler for the first time, who just completed New Zealand Ironman, and I hope will continue to come up, and who's really becoming an awesome, awesome, awesome ocean swimmer, Wadley.